Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start with your clip in the timeline. Select the layer and press Ctrl plus Alt plus T, CMD plus Opt plus T to enable time remapping. This creates keyframes you can control. Once done, decide your target speed and note the comp frame rate so motion looks smooth. Change the composition if needed. Make sure frame blending is on for smoother frames or choose pixel motion blur for best quality. These settings affect final appearance, so set them before stretching time. You now slow the clip by dragging the final time remap keyframe to the right. That lengthens duration and reduces speed. For gradual slowdowns, add a keyframe where slow begins and another where it ends, then ease them in the graph editor for natural acceleration and deceleration. If you need even slower motion, duplicate frames with frame sampling or use time warp effects. But remember, time remapping plus frame interpolation produces the cleanest slow motion without introducing stutter. You finish by refining interpolation. Enable pixel motion or optical flow to generate in-between frames for fluid motion, and then review at full resolution to spot artifacts. Once done, pre-render the composition or use a proxy to avoid playback lag. Render settings should match comp frame rate. If you see warping or ghosting, reduce extreme slow percentages, split the clip into smaller segments, or experiment with motion blur and smoothing in the graph editor to eliminate visible artifacts and restore natural movement.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.